losing an entire generation in another 10 years. And the president asked me to lead the wall, and the matter went all the way to the cabinet, and we agreed what we must do. And I put together a multi-agency team under my leadership, and we have made substantial progress. And our children are back to work. And we shut down all bars that were selling illicit brews. And people have been very happy. So when I started hearing last week that some people want to interfere with that work, one, I heard that our local member of parliament has directed the security officers in Karatina, purporting on orders from above to reopen our bars. One, a member of parliament cannot instruct security officers. And if the security officers in this region are taking instructions from a member of parliament, we shall discipline them. But to my shock, I came last night. This morning, as I was walking around in the village, I came face to face with what I knew a year ago. I found some young men at 6 a.m. in the trenches drunk, which means some bars have been reopened. Let me say this. One, I've never missed a single cabinet meeting, so there is no decision that has been made by the cabinet to stop the war against illicit brew. Number two, the last meeting I chaired 10 days ago, we are on course. Let me say this because it's important that I say so. One of the most successful intervention that has made people very happy in this country and in this region with the government of President William Ruto was a war against illicit brew. Anybody stopping that war or undermining it is setting the president and the government against the people. And if you people at the interior think that you want to interfere with this very successful program, so that maybe you undermine the deputy president because he's the one who has been leading this war, you are effectively undermining President William Ruto and his administration. And let me say, Mr. President, if you allow overzealous officers at Harambee House with a political scheme to interfere with this war against illicit brew, those people, those officers will set you up against the people. Nao watu watakosanisha rais na wananchi. True or false? Nyinyi mkifikiria mna siasa mnacheza hapo. Ati kwa sababu hii program Rigathi Gachagua ndio anaongoza, amepata umaarufu, ati mfungue zile vilabu zilikuwa zinauza pombe baya, ndio watoto waanze kukufa, mtakuwa mnamhujumu na kumkosea Rais William Ruto na serikali yake. I want to say and I want to advise nikiwa hapa kanisani. The popularity or otherwise of our administration will depend on the interference or non-interference with the war against illicit brews. These people, the women, our children, parents have been very happy with the government. Kwa sababu watoto wetu walikuwa wanapotea. Nyinyi mkikaa hapo, mtumie wabunge ambao wamepotea njia. Ate mfugue vilabu zile zilikuwa zinauza kwa mabaya ya kuua watoto. Watoto waanze kulala kwa mitaro. Watoto waanze kukufa kwa pombe. Mutakuwa mumemkosea rais. And the political damage you do to the president and the government will not be repaired. Nenda amera adwashio mara ugate ira mwisho higuru. Ije iroraga ciana citu ciana ciaje gukua. Ni president murahitiria na kumuhurithania na atimia na aciari. Mugeciria kuri siasa murathaka hau. Icio ni siasa njuru muno. And I want to tell our officers, if there are such instructions, they should be in writing, so that we know who is giving those instructions. I would like the DCC, Madera East and Madera West to tell us if they have any written instructions to reopen the bars that were selling illicit brews, as it has happened. This morning is my lowest day in the last 1 year, when I have found our children back in the trenches at 6 a.m. in the morning. What are we doing? What kind of politics are we playing? How are we going to play with the lives of our children? This is a program that the president gave me for 1 year, and we have succeeded to save an entire generation. And you want, because of stupid, primitive politics, to undermine that program, thinking that you are undermining the deputy president. What happens to our children? What are you going to tell their mothers who are so happy with what the government had done? Please, people at Interior, stop those games. And I want to say, let our officers not take instructions from members of parliament, purportedly from higher authorities. Let anybody who wants to stop this exercise, let anybody who believes that those bars should be reopened, put it in writing. And I want to say, the officers who are serving in Kenya, please, the era of orders from above are gone. If anybody wants to give instructions, let them be in writing. But if a decision has been made without my knowledge that the war on illicit brews should come to an end and people should sell illicit brews, I want to disassociate myself from that decision, because I am not part of it. And I cannot be part of such a decision. I cannot be part of such a decision, because I know what is good for the people. And I believe that President William Ruto is not aware of that decision. But some people are using his name to damage his reputation and standing before the people of Kenya. And I want to ask officers in government, we are just struggling to recover from the debacle of the finance bill. Why do you want to start another war with the people of Kenya? Sahi ndio tunang'ang'ana kubembeleza wa Kenya watulie kwa sababu ya makasiriko ya mambo ya finance bill. Sasa tena mnataka kutangazia serikali vita ingine na wamama na wazazi kwa mambo ya pombe haramu. Sasa nyinyi ni rais mnasaidia ama ni kumwangusha? Hao watu ni rais wanasaidia ama ni kumwangusha? I can't believe it. You know, I can't believe it that a government that I serve as deputy president, some people can stop the war on illicit brews and allow bars to sell poison to our children. It's unbelievable. Na mimi niseme adwaito nie diri muraika ndi mundu wi mahitia maingi. Mahitia maria ndaneka mudekere. Tondu atongoria yothe mathuritwo Nyeri ni ndamureheire. Ni horo wama. Riu ni murona ngirigura mitugura menayo. Ngamurehera mwanake ngamwira uyu ni mwega. Riu kionei. Ate irabu mairia irahingirwo ciana citu irarugama irathera iragia na kihariro iracoka micii kanitha irakena atimia marakena aciari marakena ati we uthuritwo ni muingi ugathie kwira maofica ma thirikari ati ni urateithio kuma na iguru ati irabu ira iroragaga ciana ihingurwo ciana citu ikue. Mudekere ni harada muhitithirie mudekere. Njugi atiriri wika mahitia ti uru uri gwikata tugiuka hau turathie mwaka weroka ni tukurora na turore wega. Na nie ndigikahingura kanwa gakwa kumwira ni uyu ni ngakorwo manyambite kuthurima na ngathurima na ngathurima na ngathurima. Ni ndirakenera muno ma MCA maitu ma Nyeri korwo kuri handu itagoire kigerio ni ma MCA maya ndamwirire muthure Karajo uyu ni kirathimo hari andu a ruguru uyu na nie ni ndarorete na ngona wega. MC ugwitwo Kenaiti wa Karatina, MC ugwitwo Kameri, MC ugwitwo Dagita, MC ugwitwo Kameri. Mararuta wira mwega. Na kabara uyu wa iria. Korwo kuri ninge handu twarorire wega ni gavana wa Nyeri ugwitwo Mutai wa Kahiga. Twarorire wega. Ici kigai ni tukurorai. Ni tukurora ni njota ni muonete na gutiro ndu mutoe muri andu ogi gutiro ndu mutoe muri andu ogi gutiro ndu mutoe muri andu ogi we wathurwo ukaririria andu matikahinyiririo wira waku no kuhangira nda yaku wira waku ni gukunyanira ruriri wira waku ni kwendia andu irio cianda andu aya makuheire wira umarugamirire umatetagire umaiguagire tha umaragiririe we ureciria uhoro wa nda yaku na mukaguo jugi atiriri ni tukurora rita riri na ndikahanyukira undu ringi ndire kunyire ki ndikahanyukira ni njuge ni njoketie ngatho kwi MCA Nyeri na gavana kurugama na andu aya na kwaragia ndeto ciama ndeto iria njega na MCA mutigetikire njohi icoke thiini wa Nyeri mutigetikire gitirai ciana ici gitirai ciana ici na njuge andu matigathukirie president siasa yake ni hindi twauma ndeto cia finance bill iria rakaritie andu riu ningi muke ate muhingure njohi ya kuraga ciana citu riu ni thirikari muraguithia kana tikumiguithia muramiguithia njuge atiriri ono korohi murenda bare gitongorio ni mundu ngitiriga thi wa Gachagua ni itakire na thina. I don't have a problem. If the deputy president Rigathi Gachagua is a problem, let somebody else lead this war on illicit brew so that they can continue, so that we save our next generation. But you cannot destroy an entire generation because probably you want to undermine one person. He's just a single person. How do you sacrifice an entire generation, a whole population, because you have a scheme against a leader? And the problem of that leader being truthful and listening to the ground. Mimi hakuna makosa ingine nimefanya hata moja, ni hiyo tu. Kusema tusikize nini? Yeah, that's all. Let's listen to the people. So let's be careful. Let's overzealous public servants not undermine the president and the government before the people of Kenya. Let us be careful. Let us think about the people. The people of Kenya do not want poisonous alcohol. They do not want illicit brews. Why are you forcing them to take poison and illicit brews? Yegere kiajuge idue tuli andũ a Kristiano na tuli andũ a kwaria ndeto ciama. Iwe wĩra witũ nĩ kwaragia ndeto ciama na kwaragĩrĩria andũ aitũ tondũ nĩo matũhete kura. Na niĩ nĩ mũthiri wa kworotwo ndĩ wa gũthurwo. Atiguo. I am an elected leader. I am not appointed. So I listen to the people who have employed me. And I always associate myself with the feelings, the views, and the aspirations of those who have elected me into office. Even I assist the president, and I do assist him in all his work. But I continuously listen to the people of Kenya so that I'm able to give him good advice. I'm also able to make the right decisions. Because leadership is about the people. The people must be the center of each and every conversation so that we are able to make good progress. So mimi ningetaka kuambia maofisa kila pahali Kenya, I am not aware of any decision by cabinet, by government, to reopen bars that were selling illicit brews. Those instructions are illegal, and it's part of the political schemes that are going on in this country. And those schemes are destroying the country. They are not building the country. And we would like to tell those people who have those schemes, please stop it. Don't undermine the president and his government by antagonizing the people of Kenya. Wengine wamekuwa na kiburi, wakifungua mdomo watu wanakasirika. Si ndio? Yeah. Nao watu ndio wanaharibia rais, wanaharibia serikali. Wako na kiburi mingi sana. Wamekula, wameshiba, wanatapikia watu ambaye hakuna kitu wamekula. Simu wapatie kidogo wakule alafu muwatapikie. Atiguo. Makaria mwikuga waho na weke ate. Yeah. And that is the problem we are having. You know, wewe umekula, umeshiba, unaongea vile unataka. Na kuongelesha watu vibaya na maringo na kiburi. Ambaye ni mambo ambaye haina haja. So let us help the president to succeed. Let us help him in his programs. But let us be humble as we talk to the people of Kenya. Twariria ndu na gitio na twinyihiria ndu toneo matuhete wira. Na mkumbuke miaka 5 ikiisha mtarudi kwa hii watu. Mukamakora. Matwarithio ila murenda ko matwarithia. Thikono ile kate. We ariria andu ria kwenda. Metire. Monie matahiko. Ikama undu maku marakaria. Ni wakora andu ariko. We kundu mugithiete mutirio guku. Ni. Mimi Bishop nimefurahi sana. I want to say thank you very much. I am happy kuwa hapa nyumbani. Na mimi nashukuru sana. Sana sana sana. Kwa hivyo hii kazi ya kanisa nitafanya. Na hata hii sitaki kusubua MC yako na kazi mingi. Iko msichana nataka kupea hiyo kazi. Kuja wewe Anita. Oka kaile tu kaka kwa Anita Dhobe. Kaile tu kaka nikega nigakũrĩa tetu. Nikaria wega. Ndikahewira goke kateithanie wa kanitha ũyũ. Ndigatume. Koguo nego mutumira muiritu uyu amuteithanie na wira ucio wa nyumba yo tutwarithie nginya tuone ni weka atia ikarathe Anita. Na macio maingi ni mukugeithania mainuka ni mukugeithania Ngai witu amurathime na mwike wega. Asanteni sana.